Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So happy to be back. I have missed doing wig reviews. I have been on vacation for the last week and I was in Puerto Vallarta, and of course everyone has heard the craziness that happened there, but all was well. There were no issues where we were staying. It was still a beautiful trip. The sun was beautiful. The beaches were beautiful. The food was awesome. Had a great time, but I am really glad to be back. And I'm glad to be back because I am excited to do this review. I've had this wig before my trip, and this is the first time taking it out, and I am excited to review this. This one is stunning. So this is a human hair wig piece. I got this from a wig shop on Etsy, a different one. It's called Morning Wigs. And here is the box for it. Stick around to the end of the video and you can see the out of the box for this. Very simple. This color is beautiful. Everything I have always wanted my hair to be. This is called a ashy caramel balayage color that has some warm tones in it, some ashy tones, which obviously you can see here. This one is stunning. This totally reminds me of J-Lo hair, like it really does. This is 100% virgin Brazilian Remy hair, and straight. I don't know why I got a straight one. I guess maybe I just wanted to try it. I did get a straight wig off of Temu, and I mean it was fairly straight. I did get that wet and it did end up having some sort of a natural texture. So I'm assuming that this will as well. But this one is gorgeous. It didn't really say a length to this, but I think I got this in either probably no longer than 18 inches. And I think it is longer than that. I might cut off a little bit to this, like maybe an inch or two. Because it is just a little longer than what I normally wear, but this is stunning. They say this is 150% density. Now, based on other wigs that I have, I don't feel that it's 100% or 150% density. Now, maybe that is because it's straight and it lays and feels differently. That might be, but this is the most natural looking and feeling wig that I probably own, even in human hair. Like, it is just airy and wispy. The density is just very believable throughout this whole piece. This is really stunning. They say this is HD lace, ultra HD lace. I do feel it has some sort of a fleshy tone, which is nice. And I think that'll blend in nicely with my skin tone and bronzer and makeup and things. This is a free parting wig space, or a free parting lace space. It did kind of come like this, which is kind of off to the right maybe. I usually part my hair this way. So we're going to try that right now to see how, and just by flipping it, I mean, it really flips nice. You might have to fix this parting here. Let me try to, I'm going to get some wig control spray and try to do that. Okay, got my trusty wig control spray here. And I'm just going to kind of start playing with this here. I did notice there's kind of like a weird part here that lays weird. I think that's just box hair. And that'll loosen up as you start playing with this. But as I mentioned in other videos, because I have experienced color loss in a lot of my human hair wigs, I'm doing things a little differently. Like, I'm trying not to spray them as much with water and not try to spray them at all to preserve the color as long as I can. This one I'm going to be really bummed if the color dissipates in this. If anything, I would think the brown would be the first to go in this. There is kind of a demarcation here, but I feel that a lot of that will like go away as you start styling this. Not sure if I'm going to cut bangs into this or not. I've just gotten so used to bangs that I just kind of like them now. What I might do is play with this and get all this moving forward here. And then maybe cut in a wispy bang. There is also a strap in the back that I'm not sure that I like either, and it is not removable. So I will probably have to cut that out. I'll attach the link to the shop below. It looks like it's still available, or you can get them. It's pretty like maybe a standard wig they have. It did ship from, I think, Hong Kong, I think it said. Right now, I think online it is going for around like $260, $270, which I think is a great price. Like I said, this wig is beautiful. I mean, it is really, I love how it's so believable. Like, that's what I just love about it the most. It's just the feel of this is like crazy. So I'm going to step away here for a minute and I am going to trim the lace on this and maybe adjust it. It is a little big right now. I did not adjust the strap and I didn't adjust any of the like hooky-do adjusters, but I will take this off and I'll trim the lace and I will be back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I don't even know what to say on this. Like, I know I probably say this with a lot of like the great wigs that I find, but I feel that this one is probably my favorite. Like, I know you guys like, I mean, it's a good thing that I'm purchasing these with my own money because y'all would probably come after me and be like, she's pushing all kinds of different wigs and blah, 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 blah. I'm buying these with my own money, okay? And this one is freaking beautiful. I obviously cut in a cute little bang here. She cuts wonderfully. I think I just found a great tip if you're going to start like playing around. Well, probably maybe with any wig really. And I've never really like done this like regularly. But to get all the fibers in the front so that you can start manipulating them how you want, whether it be synthetic or human hair, just get them all to the front and then work with it from there because that'll loosen up the fiber, that'll break up the parting, and then you can start manipulating them how you want. I did it with this one, and this one, the fibers move amazing. Like, it's truly free parting. Like, these fibers moved wonderfully. I did cut in some little wispy bangs here. I may do more. I think for right now, I'm going to just leave it. I also did like start cutting in some face framing pieces here. And on this side, she cuts wonderfully. Like I said, I might cut this to maybe about here. Just because, you know, I really don't wear J-Lo hair all that much. But I will tell you guys, this is like J-Lo hair. Like the color, everything. Let me turn around and show you what this looks like from all sides. This is freaking amazing. Like I said, because of the denier of this, because of the smoothness, the density, this is like believable. Like, this is, like I said, my favorite wig. And I don't even wear my hair straight, but like this one, I don't even know if I would curl because it's just so beautiful and believable. Like, I would keep it straight. I wouldn't even put anything in this at all. I mean, literally at all. Like, it's that beautiful. What else can I tell you? Oh, let me show you the lace. So this is the lace that I cut off. I think there were kind of some baby hairs, but that is pretty nice lace. I'll bring it up I mean, that is really a fleshy tone. It was pre-cut, but it was pretty long still. So I did cut that off. They're 13 by 4, they say. I really think this way is like 5 or 6, which, just means it's more like lace up there for the parting and what you can do to style your wig. What else can I say on that? Oh, 13. So 13 this way. I can say that the lace comes way down here. So that's okay if you don't mind how that feels, because there's no real ear tabs when that happens. This one kind of goes around my ear a little bit more. This one hangs over. So I don't know if I'm going to fix that or not. I might trim it a little bit. Oh, but that's one thing I don't struggle with wigs, but I am very cautious about it, because when you're cutting up into here, you're cutting hair and fiber, and it only comes into play if you want to wear it away from your face or up or something. If you're wearing it down and you don't mind how it kind of like goes over your ear on one side or the other, it's not a big deal. It could get into a problem if you wear glasses, because you're going to have to put it up under there, or there's nowhere your glasses can rest on your ears when that is the case. So I think I might have to trim that a little bit. But I hate doing that. I did take in there's hooky do adjusters. I did take those in 1 notch, and I did adjust the band in the back, and it does feel a lot better. It's a lot more secure than it was before. But you guys, this is freaking beautiful. I also might cut in some layers to this. I feel there are some layers. But I might, cut in. I did see a video the other day about cutting in like layers up here to give it more like volume up here. And again, because I don't wear my hair straight, I'm still like an 80s girl, and all this straight just doesn't work for me sometimes. So I kind of like to get some volume up in here. But I'm sure you could use like a volume spray or something like that. But yeah, the least products that you can put on your human hair wigs, the better, because they will just absorb that. You don't want to put so much product on them, because it's human hair, but it's not growing. So all those products could damage things, and the more of the heat you put on them and all of those things. So you want to limit that as much as you can. But I did want to show you this fun little new wig band that I found on Amazon. And it looks like this. I did have this on when I first had this wig on. And I did change it out to one that the regular like velvet ones, that I normally wear and that are more standard. But this is fun because it's very lightweight. I don't even know it's stretchy, so it's elastic, I guess. And it has air holes in it, so it's not like lace through here. And it has some silicone ribbing here, I guess, to keep your wig in place. And then it has a Velcro back here. And these are really nice because they really will hold a wig netting in place, even like maybe a wig cap, the standard like nylon-y wig caps. And it's lightweight, which I feel helps in the summer. Now, I have been wearing this for the last couple of days, and I can tell a difference, because sometimes when I wear the standard velvet wig grips, they're hot. Like, you can feel it hot around your head and, your forehead and things. And it just does, I feel, conduct a little bit more heat. Where that lets the air flow and it's thin. And then it's just basically you just feel the wig on your head, if you even feel that at all. But it just seems like it's less material, if you will. It allows for more airflow. So I found that on Amazon, thought I would share it. I think it was like 10 bucks or something. And I probably would get some more. This is pretty light in color. I wish it was like slightly darker or maybe like a nude color. Because if it's light, you will see it, through like a parting space in the lace. But other than that, they're wonderful. So you guys, I hope this information was helpful. I want to start wearing this. Oh my gosh, I want to start wearing this and I just don't know. I got to cut it. I think I've got to cut it. I've got to cut like a couple inches off. Okay, I got my trusty scissors out, you guys. I've got to cut like just a smidge off of here. Not much, a couple inches. Maybe I'll go a little more. So now maybe when you do that, like I said, when you take off the ends, that's when it starts to get a little bulkier. God, I could go a little bit more even. And this is one that I don't even know if I want to wear up. Like, I really like the straightness of it. So I'm going to continue to play with this and I will do a follow-up to let you know what I've done to this. If I cut any more off, if I put in like a longer layer here up at the top. But yeah, this one is stunning. Stick around to the end and see what this looks like right out of the box. And also some pictures of what this looks like outside in some natural lighting. Take care, and I'm glad to be back, y'all. Bye-bye.